Nursing Arena. Myself Lakshmi, and here we will discuss some important MCQs of psychiatric nursing. So let's start. The first question is, when counseling about aging, the nurse should teach that older adults normally have option A, a rigid attitude, B, slower reaction time, C, periods of confusion, D, some senile dementia. The correct answer is option D, some senile dementia. Senile dementia occur in old age, so the nurse should teach the older adults the senile dementia is normal phenomena. Next question. McMahon sign is a clinical manifestation of delusion, hallucination, phobia, or neologism. And the correct answer is option B, hallucination. The McMahon sign is a clinical manifestation of hallucination. Next question. Haloperidol is an option A, antipsychotic, B, antiseptic, C, antidepressant, D, antirhythmic. Correct answer is option A. Haloperidol is an antipsychotic drug. Next question. In profound MR, the IQ is A, less than 10, B, less than 20, C, 20 to 30, D, 20 to 50. And the correct answer is option B. In profound MR, the IQ is less than 20. Next question. Lithium toxicity range is option A, above 2 milliequivalent per liter, B, 0.8 to 1 milliequivalent per liter, C, 0.6 to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter, option D, above 3 milliequivalent per liter. And the correct answer is option A, about 2 milliequivalent per liter. The normal therapeutic range of lithium is 0.6 to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter. Next question. Indian Mental Health Act passed on A, 1983, B, 1987, C, 1897, D, 1899. And the correct answer is option B, 1987. Next question. Coining new term is known as option A, echolalia, B, flight of ideas, C, neologism, D, delusion. The correct answer is option C, neologism. Next question. Fear of height is known as option A, acrophobia, B, claustrophobia, C, social phobia, D, ecophobia. And the correct answer is option A, fear of height is known as acrophobia. Next question. Sleep disorder in children is due to A, loss of appetite, B, insecurity, C, bright light, D, constipation. And the correct answer is option B. Next question. A perceptual disorder is called as A, delusion, B, hallucination, C, phobia, D, neologism. And the correct answer is option B, hallucination. Hallucination and illusion are the type of perceptual disorder. Next question. A mentally healthy person, option A, feel reasonable, secure and accept his short mistake. B, is unable to concentrate. C, lose temper. D, always working. The correct answer is option A. A mentally healthy person feel reasonably secure and accept his short mistake, but is unable to concentrate, lose temper, always working is not features of mentally healthy person. Next question. The first sign of dementia is usually loss of option A, long-term memory, B, short-term memory, C, complete memory, D, none of above. And the correct answer is option B. The first sign of dementia is usually loss of short-term memory. Next question. A nurse should understand that electroconvulsion therapy is primarily used in psychiatric care for the treatment of A, anxiety, B, schizophrenia, C, depression, D, mania. And the correct answer is option C, depression. The electroconvulsion therapy is primarily used in psychiatric care for the treatment of depression. Next question. Rechanneling of socially unacceptable drive into more constructive activity is called option A, projection, B, sublimation, C, hallucination, D, displacement. And the correct answer is option B, sublimation. The rechanneling of socially unacceptable drive into more constructive activity is called sublimation. गाइस, अगर आपको डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म में कोई कंफ्यूजन हो तो आप हमारे चैनल पर डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म की वीडियो देख सकते हैं, जो कि पहले से अपलोड है और उसका लिंक भी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The nurse is teaching a group of patients about the mood stabilizing medication, the lithium carbonate. Which of the following medication should she instruct the patient to avoid because of the increased risk of lithium toxicity? Option A, hypoglycemic agent. B, antibiotics. C, diuretics. D, antacid. And the correct answer is option C, diuretics. Diuretics avoid during lithium therapy because it increases risk of lithium toxicity. Next question. The chief distinguishing features of psychotic disorder is option A, overwhelming anxiety. B, antisocial conduct. C, obsessive behavior. D, confusion between fantasy and reality. And the correct answer is option D, confusion between fantasy and reality is the features of psychotic disorder. Next question. A patient who abuses alcohol and cocaine tells a nurse that he only uses substance because of his stressful marriage and difficult job. Which defense mechanism is this patient using? Option A, rationalization. B, displacement. C, projection. D, sublimation. एक क्लाइंट है जो कि नर्स को बोल रहा है कि मैं अल्कोहल और ड्रग्स लेता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी लाइफ में मैरिज लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है और जॉब रिलेटेड भी बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स है. तो वो यहाँ पे कौन सा डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म यूज कर रहा है? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, रेशनलाइजेशन. बिकॉज वो खुद की बैड हैबिट्स के लिए यहाँ पे रेशनल दे रहा है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A patient says to a nurse, everyone would be better off if I wasn't alive. Which nursing diagnosis will be made based on this assessment? Based on this statement? Option A, risk for self-directed violence. B, ineffective coping. C, impaired social interaction. D, disturbed thought process. The correct answer is option A, risk for self-directed violence. Next question. Which of the following drug is used for the treatment of nocturnal enuresis? Option A, imipramine. B, chlorpromazine. C, trazodone. D, sertraline. And correct answer is option A, amipramine. Amipramine is a antidepressant drug are used to treat the enuresis. Enuresis means involuntary urination, especially by children at night. Next question. Unshakable and persistent ideas are called option A, compulsion, B, delusion, C, hallucination, D, illusion. The correct answer is option B, delusion. Unshakable and persistent ideas are called delusion. Next question. Deficiency of which of the following neurotransmitter in the brain will cause Alzheimer's disease? A, acetylcholine, B, serotonin, C, GABA, gamma aminobutyric acid, D, dopamine. The correct answer is option A, acetylcholine. The deficiency of acetylcholine in the brain will cause Alzheimer's disease. Next question. The part of the mind that distinguishes right from wrong and act as sensor of behavior is known as A, libido, B, id, C, superego, D, ego. The correct answer is option C, superego. Superego is known as a sensor of behavior. Next question. False sensory perception with no basis in reality are known as option A, delusion, B, hallucination, option B, illusion, C, hallucination, D, loose association. The correct answer is option C, hallucination. False sensory perception with no basis in reality are known as hallucination. And hallucination and illusion are the type of perception disorder. Next question. A nurse entered the room of a patient with a cognitive impairment disorder and asked what day of the week it is, what the date, month and year are, and where the patient is. The nurse is attempting to assess option A, preservation, B, orientation, C, confabulation, D, delirium. And the correct answer is option B, orientation. It means अगर कोई नर्स कि साइकेट्रिक पेशेंट से पूछ रही है कि अभी टाइम क्या हो रहा है या कौन सी डेट है आज या वो कहाँ है पेशेंट, तो इसका मतलब है कि नर्स जो होती है पेशेंट का ओरिएंटेशन चेक कर रही है कि उसे कितना ओरिएंटेड है वो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who is the father of psychoanalytical theory? Option A, Lawrence Kohlberg, B, Jean Piaget, C, Abraham Maslow, D, Sigmund Freud. The correct answer is option D. The father of psychoanalytical theory is Sigmund Freud. Next question. parrot-like repetition of words spoken by other person is called as A. Echolalia, B. Neologism, C. Echopraxia, D. Dyscalculia. The correct answer is option A. Echolalia. The parrot-like repetition of words spoken by other person is known as echolalia. Neologism means coining of new terms. Echopraxia means repetition of other activity. And dyscalculia means unable to calculate. Next question. Which part of the mind is associated with practical reality principle? Option A. Hyperego, B. Superego, C. Ego, D. Id. And here the correct answer is option C. Ego. It is work on pleasure principle and ego is work on reality principle and super ego is work on perfection principle. Next question. A rare condition in which separate personalities exist in the same person is called option A. Dissociative identity disorder, B. Delusion, C. Schizophrenia, D. Somatoform disorder. The correct answer is option A. Dissociative identity disorder. Next question. A parent who cope with quarreling among young children by placing them separate. A. Timeout, B. Reinforcement, C. Shaping, D. Punishment. The correct answer is option A. Timeout. Next question. A 75-year-old patient has dementia of the Alzheimer type of confabulate. A nurse should understand that this patient A. pretends to be someone else, B. denies confusion by being jovial, C. fills in memory gap with fantasy, D. rationalize varies behavior. Correct answer is option C. Fill in memory gap with fantasy. Next question. Observation is the method of option A. assessment, B. evaluation, C. planning, D. data collection. Correct answer is option A. Observation is the method of assessment. Next question. Rationale behind play therapy is option A. sensorimotor, B. social development, C. intellectual development, D. sensorimotor and intellectual development. Correct answer is option D. Rationale behind play therapy is sensorimotor and intellectual development. Next question. What is the normal score in mini mental status examination? Option A 10 to 15, B 15 to 20, C 25 to 30, D 20 to 25. Correct answer is option C. 25 to 30 is the normal score in mini mental status examination. Next question. The IQ level of moderate mental retardation. Option A 35 to 50, B below 20, C 50 to 70, D 20 to 35. Correct answer is option A 35 to 50 is an IQ level of moderate MR. Next question is characterized by episodes of rapid ingestion of large amount of food followed by induced vomiting. Option A anorexia nervosa, B obesity, C bulimia nervosa, D binge eating. Correct answer is option C bulimia nervosa. Bulimia nervosa is a type of eating disorder in which eating large amount of food followed by purging by using laxative or induced vomiting. Next question. Indian Lunacy Act was enacted in the year option A 1992, B 1912, C 1987, D 1985. Correct answer is option B 1912. Next question. Which is an example of a typical antipsychotic? Option A risperidone, B chlorpromazine, C lithium, D haloperidol. Correct answer is option A risperidone is an example of a typical antipsychotic drugs. Next question. According to Maslow, which is the highest level of needed of an individual? A self-esteem, B basic physiological, C self-actualization, D safety and security. The correct answer is option C self-actualization. According to Maslow hierarchical need, the first need is physiological need, then safety and security, then love and belonging, then self-esteem, and the last one is self-actualization. Next question. Refer to the decreased psychoactive effect of drug resulting from repeated exposure. A withdrawal, B harmful use, C dependence, D tolerance. The correct answer is option D tolerance. Next question. Projective techniques are option A method of research plan, B a method of qualitative research, C a method of conducting a study, D indirect measure of data that is unlikely to be obtained. Correct answer is option D indirect measure of data that is unlikely to be obtained. Next question. When the nurse conclude that a client is doing when making up stories to fill in the blank space of memory. Option A confabulating, B. Denying. C. Lying. D. Rationalizing. Correct answer is option A. Confabulating is a filling the gap of memories by fantasy. Next question. The term schizophrenia was coined by option A. Kraepelin, B. Blair, C. Freud, D. Richard. The correct answer is option B. Blair. The schizophrenia word was coined by Blair. Next question. Fear of crowded or enclosed in space. Option A. Zoophobia, B. Agoraphobia, C. Hydrophobia, D. Social phobia. The correct answer is option B. Agoraphobia. The fear of crowded or enclosed space is called agoraphobia. Next question. Which of the following is an example of neurotransmitter? Option A. Cholinesterase, B. Cholecytokinin, C. Acetylcholine, D. teretrase. Correct answer is option C. Acetylcholine is a type of neurotransmitter. Next, incontinence is observed in which stage of dementia? Option A. First, B. Initial, C. Third, D. Second. Correct answer is option C. Incontinence is observed in third stage of dementia. Next, which referred to the treatment of mental disease with the help of electric shock? Option A. Electroconvulsion therapy, B. Electroencephalography, C. Electrocardiography, D. Electric wave. Correct answer is option A. Electroconvulsion therapy or ECT therapy are used to treat the mental illness. Next question. A childhood psychiatric disorder characterized by abnormalities in communicable and social interaction and by repetitive activity and interest. Option A. Phobia, B. Obsession, C. Autism, D. Illusion. Correct answer is option C. Autism. Autism is a childhood psychiatric disorder characterized by communicable abnormalities. Next question. Misperception of external stimuli is called A. Phobia, B. Hallucination, C. Addiction, D. Illusion. Correct answer is option D. Illusion. Misperception of external stimuli is called illusion. Next question. A syndrome in which the central features are overactivity, mood changes are, and self-important ideas. Option A. Mania, B. Schizophrenia, C. Depression, D. Hallucination. Correct answer is option A. Mania. Mania is a bipolar disorder in which increased psychomotor activity, and elevated mood. Next question. Voltage of current applied for ECT is 35 to 75 volt, B 75 to 100 volt, C 75 to 120 volt, D 100 to 150 volt. Correct answer is option D, option C 75 to 120 volt are applied for ECT. Next question. An artificial induced stage in which the person is relaxed and usually unconscious. Option A phobia, B play therapy, C epilepsy, D hypnosis. Correct answer is option D hypnosis. Artificially induced person relax is a hypnosis. Next question. Senile dementia occur during option A childhood, B teenage, C adult, D old age. Correct answer is option D old age. Senile dementia occur in old age. Next question. The ability to enter into the life of another person, to accurately perceive his current feeling and to communicate this feeling to the patient is option A sympathy, B empathy, C self disclosure, D role playing. Correct answer is option B empathy. Next question. The part of minds that distinguish right from wrong and act as a sensor of behavior is called option A ego, B id, C libido, D superego. Correct answer is option D. Superego is known as a sensor of behavior. Next question. A patient keep repeating the last few words of what he learned. The condition is called as A neologism, B echopraxia, C echolalia, D thought insertion. Correct answer is option C echolalia. The repetition of words is called echolalia. Next question. All behavior can be said to be option A response to stimuli, B a conditioned response, C an intellectual response, D an emotional response. Correct answer is option A response to stimuli. Next question. Labella indifferences is related to which of the following neurosis? Option A phobic anxiety, B anxiety disorder, C obsessional compulsion disorder, D conversion reaction. Correct answer is option D, conversion reaction. La-Bella indifferences is a type of symptoms that occur in conversion reaction. Next question. Gustatory hallucination affect the A. Nose, B. Taste bud, C. Ear, D. Skin. Correct answer is option B. Taste bud. Gustatory hallucinations are related to taste buds. Next question. The therapeutic effective serum lithium concentration level is monitored. Option A 12 to 24 hours, B 18 to 24 hours, C 3 to 5 days, D 10 to 14 days. Correct answer is option A 12 to 14 hours. So 12 to 24 hours. Next question. Intellectual quotient is tell about option A. Intellectual maturity, B. Mental age in relation to chronological age, C. Academic achievement, D. Mental growth. Correct answer is option B. Mental age in relation to chronological age. Intellectual quotient tell about mental age in relation to chronological age. And it is a formula to find out the IQ level of person. Next question. Precipitory delusion is more common in option A. Schizophrenia, B. Paranoid schizophrenia, C. Manic depression psychosis, D. Bipolar affective disorder. The correct answer is option B. The precipitory delusion is more commonly seen in paranoid schizophrenia. Next question. Exclusion of unwanted or unpleasant experience, emotions, or ideas from conscious awareness is option A. Denial, B. Repression, C. Regression, D. Projection. Correct answer is option B. Repression. Removal of unpleasant experience, emotion from conscious mind is called repression. Next question. The primary aim of psychiatric treatment is to option A. Release the patient of symptoms, B. Return the patient to his home, C. Help the patient to make better psychological adjustment, D. Prevent the patient from becoming psychotic. The correct answer is option C. The main aim of psychiatric treatment is help the patient to make better psychosocial adjustment. Next question. Thinking is a mental process that deals with option A. Thoughts and ideas, B. Motives and movement, C. Action and reaction, D. feelings and emotions. Correct answer is option A, thoughts and ideas. Thinking is deal with thoughts and ideas. Next question. Significant components of personality as described by Sigmund Freud are option A, conscious, preconscious and subconscious, B, id, ego and superego, C, dream, interpretation, D, defense mechanism. Correct answer is option B, id, ego and superego are described by Sigmund Freud as a component of personality. Next question. Ability to recall signs and symptoms of a disease by a student belong to A, affective domain, B, cognitive domain, C, psychomotor domain, D, receiving domain. Correct answer is option B, cognitive domain. Next question. The most common type of dementia: A, Pick's disease, B, Parkinson disease, C, Alzheimer disease, D, Tick's disease. Correct answer is option C, Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease, most common type of dementia and due to the deficiency of acetylcholine and most commonly occur in old age. Next question. Which teaching method will be most appropriate to teach a group of women to change their attitude toward female child? Option A, role play, B, lecture, C, discussion, D, symposium. Correct answer is option A, role play. Role play is the most important and most appropriate to teach a group of women to change their attitude toward female child. Next question. Individual differences in interest, ability and capacity in a specific field is measured by applying one of the following tests: A, attitude test, B, aptitude test, C, intelligence quotient test, D, mental ability test. The correct answer is option B, aptitude test. Next question. When a person retreat or revert to an infantile or childish level of behavior: option A, repression, B, sublimation, C, suppression, D, regression. The correct answer is option D, regression. Regression is a type of defense mechanism in which the client show a childish behavior. Next question. The laws of effective learning are except the A, law of readiness, law of exercise or practice, law of effect, law of adjustment. The correct answer is option D, law of adjustment. Next question. Emotions affect our body and mind if it, option A, recur and remain for a long time, B, occur and disappears, C, recurs and disappears, D, recur and remain for short time. The correct answer is option A. Emotion affects our body and mind if it recur and remain for a long time. Next question. Studies of pies are related to option A. Development of language of children, B. Development of cognitive function or intellectual, C. Development of social relation of children, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option B. Development of cognitive function or intellectual. Next question. The factor which is responsible to cause schizophrenia. Option A. Genetic factor, B. Psychosocial factor, C. Sociocultural factor, D. All of above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Genetic factor, psychosocial factor, and sociocultural factor are responsible for schizophrenia. Next question. Hypnotism is the method of option A. Removing weakness, B. Providing economical help, C. Removing mental illness, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. Hypnotism is the method of removing mental illness. Next question. Experimental psychology is started first in country is option A. Germany, B. England, C. USA, D. France. Correct answer is option A. Germany. Next question. Inability to carry out normal activities despite intact motor function is option A. Anhedonia, B. Apraxia, C. Apathy, D. Amnesia. Correct answer is option B. Inability to perform normal activity is called apraxia. Next question. Gradual disappearance of conditioned response to stimuli is referred as option A. Negative condition, B. Extinction, C. Delayed condition, D. Elimination. Correct answer is option B. Extinction. Next question. Ego work on the A. Reality, B. Pleasure, C. Perfection, D. Conscience. Next correct answer is option A. Ego work on the reality. Next question. Temporary discharge of the patient from the psychiatric hospital is referred as option A, parole, B, abscond, C, termination, D, escape. Correct answer is option A, parole. The temporary discharge of the patient from psychiatric hospital is called parole. Next question. Irritational fear related to closed space is referred as option A, acrophobia, B, agoraphobia, C, claustrophobia, D, nosophobia. The correct answer is option C, fear related to closed space is called claustrophobia. Next question. Loss of personal identity and wandering away from psychiatric hospital is referred as option A, fugue, B, split personality, C, possession state, D, trance state. Correct answer is option A, fugue. Next question. The voltage needed to produce seizure while giving ECT is option A, 180 to 220 voltage, B, 40 to 70 voltage, C, 150 to 180 voltage, D, 70 to 150 voltage. The correct answer is option D, 70 to 150 volts are needed to produce seizure while giving ECT. Next question. The emotional state an individual experiences to loss of loved object is A, grief, B, mourning, C, bereavement, D, agony. The correct answer is option A, grief. Next question. Release of feelings that take place by talking about an emotionally charged area is A, clarification, B, abreaction, C, suggestion, D, exploration. The correct answer is option B, abreaction. Next question. The drug which is used to create aversion in alcohol dependence. Option A, apomorphine, B, propranolol, D, diazepam, C, diazepam, D, disulfiram. The correct answer is option D, disulfiram. Disulfiram drugs are used to create aversion in alcohol dependence. Next question. Serine is an example of option A, antipsychotic, B, antidepressant, C, mood stabilizer, D, anxiolytics. Now the correct answer is option A, antipsychotic. Serine is an example of antipsychotic drug. Next question. The recording of conversation between nurse and patient in a psychiatric setup is termed as option A, therapeutic communication, B, interview techniques, C, process recording, D, case study. The correct option is C, process recording. Process recording of conversation between nurse and patient in a psychiatric setup. Next question. The function of gland which is affected in lithium toxicity is A, parathyroid, B, pituitary, C, adrenal, D, thyroid. The correct answer is option C, adrenal gland affected in lithium toxicity. Next question. A defense mechanism that allows to convert our unacceptable behavior into acceptable form is option A, introjection, B, sublimation, C, projection, D, displacement. Correct answer is option B, sublimation are used to convert our unacceptable behavior into acceptable form. Next question. Father of intelligence test is Alfred Binet, B, Erik Erikson, C, Alfred Adler, D, Carl Jung. Correct answer is option A, Alfred Binet is known as a father of intelligence test. He gives the formula to calculate IQ level, and the formula is mental age upon chronological age into 100. Next question. The stage which keep an individual physically alert to face the danger arising out of stress is termed option A, adjustment reaction, B, stage of resistance, B, exhaustion stage, D, alarm reaction. Correct answer is option D, alarm reaction. Next question. Elevated mood with increased psychomotor activity is a characteristic features of A, mania, B, euphoria, C, bipolar disorder, D, dysrhythmia. Correct answer is option A, mania. Next question. A behavioral therapy of sudden direct and maximum exposure to the fear producing stimulus? A. Biofeedback. B. Flooding. C. Desensitization. D. Response prevention. Option B. Flooding is the correct answer. In the condition of flooding, the direct exposure to the fear producing stimulus. Next question. Mini mental status examination does not include option A. Cognition. B. Perception. C. Insight. D. History of psychiatric disorder. Cognition, perception, and insight are present in the mini mental status examination, but the history of psychiatric disorder are not included in the mini mental status examination. So here the correct answer is option D. Next question. Reduce speech production is termed as A. Poverty of speech. B. Mutism. C. Poverty of ideation. D. Echolalia. And here the correct answer is option B. Mutism. Next question. False perception is called A. Hallucination. B. Illusion. C. Delusion. D. Imperception. And the correct answer is option A. False perception is called hallucination. Next question. Equation of skill is known as A. Cognitive learning. B. Affective learning. C. Learning by conditioned reflex. D. Psychomotor learning. The correct answer is option D. Psychomotor learning. Acquisition of skill is also known as psychomotor learning. Next question. Who classified personality as extrovert and introvert? Option A. Gordon Allport. B. Carl G. Jung. C. Watson. D. Brunner. The correct answer is option B. Carl G. Jung classify the personality as extrovert and introvert. Next question. Thinking is also known as A. Memory. B. Motivation. C. Cognition. D. Attention. The correct answer is option C. Cognition. Thinking is also known as cognition. Next question. Psychological mechanisms that reduce anxiety arise from unacceptable or potentially harmful stimuli. The nurse determined that this is use of option A. Factor reaction. B. Withdrawal pattern. C. Defense mechanism. D. Ritualistic behavior. The correct answer is option C. Defense mechanism. defense mechanisms are used to reduce anxiety arise from harmful stimuli. Thank you guys. Please like and share it.